Hello everyone, we're going to take a look at a live example from our Friday session. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the like button on these videos, and we will see you at the next market live streams. Alright guys, we're going to look at the VIX. Alright, this is what we called out in the weekly update, market update video. So if you guys are, look at the daily on the VIX. Right, we called this out on the market update video that the MACD on the VIX is going up and up and up, and at one point it could blow up, right? That it's about to blow up soon, and we sent other things too, right? But look at this VIX crossing up the MACD. Look at this VIX crossing up the MACD. April 1st. And this is what happened today. The VIX spiked crazy, 21.50. We shared a bunch of things in the community that will prepare us for a certain type of move like this, and that was comparing this year to 2018 and how there were certain factors that were relating this year to that year. Like in quarter 4, when valuations are high, there are tariff news that might make us pull back from where we are. We also talked about how the QQQ/NASDAQ did not have a 3% drawdown from the all-time highs for over 88 days, which was the best in over 5 years. The data was related to 2018 and 2020, and we have seen a intraday 3% drawdown from all-time highs on Friday. We also talked about how junk bonds ETFs were falling ahead of the market, how this could possibly signal some sort of a reversal top, which it has in the past. We also talked about how the volatility index, the MACD, was breaking out above and turning positive. We were looking at the example from the last drop from March and April, and clearly it has signaled some sort of a market pullback. It is my belief that the market will test the 55 EMA below, or the highs of the top of the J Powell candle spike from September 15th, which is SPX 6,623 and around 660 on SPY. We will need to keep up to date with the presidential live streams and all tariff related news coming out this week. I believe we will be testing the highs and or bottoms and or of this J Powell FOMC candle highs from September 17, 2025. If the volatility of the market increases and there are more news coming out that is helping push the move lower, we will update the video as soon as we can. On a last note, it is interesting to note that the due date of the tariffs kicking in for China and all the tech companies is November 1st, which is in about half a month's cycle time. We have the anchored VWAP, which is from the bottom of the March and April lows, the end of the liberation, to this high, which is the previous all-time highs at 6,145 on SPX, which is around 620 on SPY. We will see how that progresses into the week and the month. I am personally suspecting Bitcoin to do a continuation of the pullback to below 109,000 to test 108,000 in the upcoming week. We will see how the crypto market progresses.